Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up PhoneLink on Windows 10 to connect your Android or iPhone in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Your Windows 10 PC should be running version 109 or later. If you have an Android phone, it should be Android 7.0 or later. For iPhones, you need iOS 14 or later, with limited features. If your system meets these requirements, let's move on. Click the Start menu, then click Settings. Go to Mobile Device, turn on PhoneLink. If you don't see it, download it from the Microsoft Store. Open the app, choose Android or iPhone, and sign in with your Microsoft account. Scan the QR code and follow the instructions. And open the Google Play Store and download Link to Windows. Open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account, same as your PC. Enter the verification code shown on your PC into the Link to Windows app. Grant necessary permissions, calls, messages, notifications, etc. Done. Now you can send texts, check notifications, and even mirror your phone's screen on your PC. And that's it. Now you can seamlessly connect your Android or iPhone to Windows 10 with PhoneLink. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.